Classified is a fun way of connecting city and country classrooms across New Zealand. It's all about giving kids an insight into another way of life in a really dynamic and personal way. There are two key parts to it. First, you'll need to get your students snapping. As a class, you'll need to submit 10 photos, which sum up your students' day-to-day lives, from what they eat for lunch to the view from the front gate. The second part involves a Skype call with a mystery classroom that we connect you with. The goal here is to correctly identify your partner school before they do, using a few different tools like Google Maps. To help get you ready for this, we've developed a one-page teacher guide. It's full of links to awesome content and makes it easy for you to weave in some key geography concepts and get kids familiar with major New Zealand landmarks. You'll get some free stuff. It's super fun and it'll all wrap up by the end of term 2. Keen to be involved? Contact us at hello@schoolkit.co.nz. Oh, and did we mention it was all free?